are now live, family, with the Nova Rope, man. 18 months in the making. Today it is officially live. If you're watching this video right now, head down to the website, pre-order yours right now. This video is all about just making sure you guys know what to expect from this rope. And let me tell you, man, this is a mad proud day for myself, the whole of Team RA, and you guys at home watching behind this camera as well. You made this all happen. Without your support, literally we would not exist. We would not have a place like this. We would not be able to create ropes such as the Nova Rope and improve and build on what we've done so far in the last 5 years for the jump rope industry. This video today is to really let you know what you're in for when it comes to the Nova Rope, your do's, your don'ts, how to look after it, how to size it. And yeah, if you're watching this and you've already copped, let me know in the comments. I just want to say thank you so much, give you guys a big hug if possible through this camera lens. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. And yeah, it's just insane to see this thing come alive, man. It's like a baby growing. I've literally had this concept in my mind for years and I just cannot wait to see it take over the jump rope world. All right, so first things first, what can you guys expect from this rope? Now, if you've missed the previous videos, just remember this, all right? This is made for all levels, all right? Men, women, children, all levels of skipping, okay? This is gonna allow you guys to improve your cardio, of course, your endurance, your stamina. The moves you see on this channel, it's gonna allow you to flow with your rope, it's gonna allow you to be expressive, and it's just gonna make sure that you guys are turning heads wherever you guys are using this, all right? We've got 6 colorways coming out for you. We've got orange, black, white, green, pink, and of course, iconic yellow. The tagline for this rope is stronger speed, all right? Now that is exactly what this will feel like, peeps. It's gonna feel like a heavy rope at times, then at times it's gonna feel like a speed rope. This thing has superior control written all over it, right? The feedback is immense, and just the way it feels in your hands and how it feels across your body when it's rotating, you're just gonna know exactly where this rope is in every single rotation, revolution, and it's just gonna allow you, again, just to make sure that whatever you wanna get from your skipping workouts, whether it's, you know, losing weight, building strength, building endurance, just doing tricks, just having fun with your cardio, like we say on the channel. Like, this is gonna allow you to do all of that and more. So if you're interested on the components or the materials of the handles, the grip, etc., I've already covered this in previous videos, but we're gonna get into sizing, okay? Now, the sizing of this rope is super, super easy. When you first get out of the box, guys, you're gonna get a 10-foot cable, all right? Now, this is fully adjustable, and like we've already mentioned, the handle is fully encapsulated, so it's fully closed off. This is the first time we've tried this, first time really the skipping world has seen this for a speed rope, like a non-mechanized rope. But now you're gonna size this thing from the top. So it's all gonna start from this top cap, which you unscrew. Really easy, guys. Take out the rope, undo the clips, and if you've got RA ropes before, these clips are really simple to use, really easy. Slide it off, you can then trim it, cut it with scissors, pop it back in the handle, spin the cap back on, and you're ready to go, okay? Now, if you've seen this channel and you know me by now, you know I love to use knots, and this rope is really simple to knot. This cable, by the way, carries all the hallmark and trademark feels of a Rush Athletics cable, okay? It's not too stretchy, it's not too stiff like other brands. It's super, super soft and carries immense feedback. But yeah, trim your ropes, you can use knots, and again, it's just super easy to size and it's made for all heights. So we've talked about the rubberized grip in previous videos and 3D custom branding as well, which gives extra grip as well. But this handle, guys, is fit for all types of hand shapes, all right? Men, women, again, children. It's not like the Legacy rope, which is obviously a thicker handle to carry the thicker cable. This just has a really nice feel in the hands, super ergonomic, super light as well. Again, allowing you to perform those tricks and to really move this rope around your body. The next section is about how to look after your rope, right? So we're going to talk a little bit about cleaning. Now, with the rubberized grip, we have this new texture, obviously, over the handle, something, again, new for the jump rope industry. And what you want to try and do, guys, is when you are kind of in and around your workouts, is to make sure this is stored in a warm environment, okay? Don't leave this in your car, especially in cold temperatures, or in a garage or garage if you're in the USA. You don't want this vinyl to get cold, and you don't want to also ruin the handles as well. This is going to pick up a little bit of sweat and a little bit of dirt, of course, but you can just use a damp cloth. You don't need to use soap or anything, and just wipe it all down, okay? Typically what you've seen on this channel, you can do every single one of those moves, all right? Double unders, double under crossovers, boxer style skipping, footwork, etc. But the one thing you do not want to do with this rope, people, and I'm going to stress this very clearly on this video today, is you do not want to be doing releases with this rope. And I say this because of a couple of reasons. First reason is the handle makeup, all right? The composition of this handle, guys, with the rubberized grip, with the custom cap on the bottom, you will damage this rope if you drop it. And now, most of the time when people are trying to do freestyle, they are not going to control the rope 100% of the time. They're not going to catch it 100% of the time. And I'm going to know, especially if someone has been doing releases, because the cap on the bottom will fly off and it will break off if you do hit this on the floor. So if you come back and you say that the handle is damaged, it's pretty much because you've dropped it or it's come out of your hands or you've been trying to do releases. So please, again, do not do releases with this rope. Look after it, people, man. This is meant to stay in your hands like the majority of skipping ropes that we create, but we want to make sure that you guys know that this is a very durable and strong handle. It has an inner core which is super, super solid, but the outer texture grip and the outer composition of this rope and the way it's made up, it's not been designed for releases. It's meant to be staying in your hands, right? Just like we like it. So that about wraps up today's video. I hope you liked the incredible intro at the start of this video. Hit the website link down below. Use Rush10 for 10% discount as well. We will get this out to you very, very soon, especially if you pre-ordered. And yeah, take your pick, man. Is it the space gray or the stealth black handles you're into? And let me know what colors you guys went for as well today, because yeah, every single one of these is gonna look absolutely epic in the gym or at home or on video, especially if you're, you know, documenting your journey on social media. And I'm just super proud. I'm super excited. This is an exciting day for me. And I just want to say thank you again from the bottom of my heart. We have just created, in my opinion, one of the world's best, if not the best all-round jump rope for fitness. You guys are gonna be flying strong. Let me tell you this, man. I used to talk about wanting to make you guys sky kings and sky queens, but from this day forward, I've just taken you guys from the skies to space. And it's absolutely epic. So once again, thank you so much for making a big kid's dream come true. You guys are amazing, absolutely epic. And I'll see you, as always, in the next video for more fire jump rope tutorials, content, and just good vibes. So people, much love, peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.